I've seen cars evolve from steam engines to muscle cars, each era bringing its own sense of excitement and innovation to the roads, but then Tesla came along and changed the game entirely, rewriting the rules of what a car could be. They didn't just want to build another car, they aimed to prove electric vehicles could outperform gasoline cars in every way, from speed to efficiency and even design. Named after the legendary inventor Nikola Tesla, the company's mission was clear: accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy and inspire a new era of clean transportation. Tesla envisioned cars that were fast, stylish, and clean, no compromises, no trade-offs, just pure innovation. For over a century, the internal combustion engine ruled the roads, shaping the way we traveled and lived. Suggesting a quiet electric motor could dethrone it seemed crazy. But Tesla believed in the impossible, and they set out to prove the skeptics wrong. Their first car, the Roadster, shattered the myth that electric meant slow and boring, showing the world that electric cars could be thrilling. It was the spark that ignited a revolution in the auto industry, catching the attention of both fans and critics alike. Tesla's strategy was smart: start with a high-end sports car, then use the profits and lessons learned to make more affordable models for everyone. Each new car brought electric driving closer to the mainstream, making it accessible to more people than ever before. Their approach wasn't just about building a green car, it was about building a car people genuinely wanted to drive, a car that inspired excitement. Every Tesla was a step toward a future where electric motors outnumber roaring engines and clean energy powers our journeys. It's a story of passion, relentless innovation, and the courage to challenge the status quo, even when the odds seemed impossible. Tesla didn't just join the car world, they redefined it, setting new standards for what's possible. And in an industry resistant to change, that took real guts. The revolution had begun, and there was no turning back. What makes people line up for a Tesla? It's not just about owning a car, it's about being part of a movement that's changing the way we think about transportation. It's the complete package, a car that feels like the future, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek, modern design. Step inside, and you notice the minimalist interior and massive touchscreen that controls nearly everything. The cabin feels open, uncluttered, and refreshingly different from traditional cars. Tesla thinks like a tech company, pushing out software updates that make your car better overnight. It's like waking up to a smarter, more capable vehicle every morning. Your Tesla can gain new features or even improve its performance while you sleep. This constant evolution keeps the car feeling fresh and exciting, long after you drive it off the lot. The driving experience is smooth and silent, no engine noise, just the road. It's a calm, almost serene feeling that makes every journey more enjoyable. But press the accelerator, and you get instant, thrilling power. The acceleration is immediate, making every drive feel exhilarating. Teslas are designed from the ground up to be electric, with a battery pack under the floor for a low center of gravity. This design isn't just about efficiency, it's about redefining how a car should feel and perform. This makes them handle beautifully, stable and agile in corners, giving you confidence on any road. Every detail, from aerodynamics to the minimalist cabin, is about efficiency and performance. Nothing is wasted, everything has a purpose. It's not just an electric car, it's a reimagined driving experience, designed for the future and for families who want something more. Tesla's holistic approach sets it apart from anything else on the road. It's a vision of what driving can be, not just what it is today. That's why they feel so special, because owning a Tesla is about more than just getting from A to B. It's about being part of something bigger. Range anxiety used to be the biggest hurdle for electric cars. Early EVs couldn't go far, making road trips nearly impossible. Tesla tackled this head-on, developing advanced batteries that let you travel hundreds of miles on a single charge. The Model S changed everything, offering unprecedented range and making long-distance electric travel practical. How? Tesla's batteries are energy-dense and their cars are aerodynamic and efficient. Regenerative braking recaptures energy, squeezing out even more miles. Suddenly, electric cars weren't just for city commutes, they could handle real adventures. Tesla's focus on range gave drivers the freedom to travel without compromise. No more planning your day around charging stations. Just get in and drive, confident you'll reach your destination. This breakthrough made electric cars truly viable for everyday life. Tesla didn't just build an EV, they built one that fits seamlessly into your world. Speed. Every car lover craves it, but Tesla redefined what fast means in the modern era. With electric power, the rules of acceleration have changed forever. Forget roaring engines. Teslas deliver instant, silent acceleration that pins you to your seat. The sensation is so smooth and immediate, it almost feels futuristic. Electric motors give you full torque from a standstill, no revving, no gear shifts, just pure power. The response is so direct, it's like the car reads your mind. That's how a family sedan can outpace supercars in ludicrous and plaid modes. It's not just quick, it's jaw-dropping, and it turns heads wherever you go. The experience is addictive, silent, smooth, and shockingly quick. Every drive feels like a special occasion, whether you're on a back road or a city street, but it's not just about showing off. It's about enjoying cutting-edge technology every day. Instant acceleration makes merging, passing, and city driving safer and more responsive. You're always ready to move when you need to. You get confidence and control at your fingertips, with technology that empowers you behind the wheel. And unlike gas guzzlers, Teslas combine this performance with incredible efficiency. You can go fast and still be eco-friendly. You can enjoy supercar speed one moment, then cruise quietly using minimal energy the next. It's versatility that fits every lifestyle. Tesla proved you don't have to choose between fun and efficiency. Now, you can have both in one incredible package. Performance and practicality finally coexist, making every trip, big or small, something to look forward to. Driving a Tesla is a thrill, every single time. It's a feeling that never fades, no matter how many times you experience it. It's a new kind of excitement, and it never gets old. The future of driving is here, and it's electrifying. That's the magic of electric acceleration, an experience that redefines what it means to drive. Autopilot isn't full self-driving yet. It's a smart driver assist system that makes driving safer and less stressful. Using cameras, sensors, and powerful software, Autopilot keeps your car centered and maintains a safe distance from others. It's a huge help in traffic or on long highway drives, reducing fatigue and making the journey smoother. You still need to pay attention, but the car handles much of the routine work. Advanced features like full self-driving add lane changes, ramp navigation, and even parking. The car builds a real-time 3D model of its surroundings, making intelligent decisions to assist you. Every mile driven helps the system learn and improve, thanks to data from millions of Teslas on the road. Tesla's ultimate goal is true autonomy, cars that drive themselves safely in almost any situation. Autopilot is a leap toward a future with fewer accidents and safer roads. It's not just convenience, it's a revolution in automotive safety.